Hey guys, it's Kife. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a very different unboxing video because I'm actually going to unbox a bag that is not mine. Yeah, so I actually just received this from the delivery man. This is actually a bag that I helped my sister purchase just yesterday, so she sent the delivery today. Okay, so this is a Louis Vuitton nice Nano toiletry pouch. Inside this, they actually give me perfumes again. There's the receipt. Presented box like this. It's so small, this bag is ridiculous. I don't know why people want mini bags like this, but this bag is so popular that it keeps on going out of stock. And here goes the bag. So this is the bag. Don't know how to say it, but look at this is my hand and this is the bag. Okay, this is the front view of the bag. This is the top view with the handle with a nice little Louis Vuitton. The bag is like this. The side and the bottom. Girls like this kind of bags, but it's really ridiculously small and they find it really very cute. Okay lah, it's very cute lah, but it's so useless. What can you put inside? So nice Louis Vuitton like a plaid thing here. Yeah, and the interior material feels like a nice canvas material. I was looking to purchase nice Nano for one of my closest friends and I asked my SA, she said no, there isn't any and you cannot place any order, so you have to wait for a stock. A few months down, no, nothing, and then I essentially went over to buy it from a reseller at $1080, $20 cheaper. Yeah, but because the person bought it at $980, so the price has already increased. Now it's $1,100 retail price. So the person actually just still earned $100 from me lah. And then what happened was, yesterday my SA texted me and said, hey, there's one leh. And then she managed to secure it and asked me if I want to purchase it or not. But I already bought it ma. And then I asked my sister if she wants it, so my sister wants it, and tada, we have this review today. Shall I even do a test fit? Okay, so I'm gonna do a test fit now. I'm gonna put my phone in. I think can fit in lah. Yeah, I can fit leh. My wallet. Okay, I don't think ladies should put their wallets in. Oh, I can fit, yeah, can fit my wallet. I think can also put my coin pouch because it's very thin. My AirPods, my aligner casing. I fit everything inside. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. So my wallet is inside, my phone is inside, my coin pouch is inside, my AirPods and also my aligner casing are inside. Wow, I'm very surprised you can fit everything. For such a small bag, you can fit so many things. I'm like relatively very surprised. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so you see, can fit everything eh. Okay, for $1,100, is this a good buy? Yes, definitely, because you can use it. A lot of people, they DIY like their own strap. So you can actually get the strap from Louis Vuitton, but it's like $900 over. The bag is $1,001. Why would you spend $900 over on a freaking strap, right? Just go Taobao to buy the strap. So I already asked my friend Ashley because she also has one now and she went to purchase it. It only costs $12.50 on the resale market right now. It's about $1,400 to $1,500. So this is $1,001 now, which is expensive. I think when they first came out it was $880 and then it increased to $980. Now it's $1,001. But I feel at $1,001, if you think that it's very cute and you like it, then I think you can invest on a mini bag like this lah. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If there's anything that you want to inquire, please leave a comment below in the comment section. And remember to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye!